Explore competitive advantage is knowing the healthcare space and knowing the data analytics space both. The key challenge in healthcare is measuring the value of care. If you are paying $100, are you getting the value of $100? How do we detect what is contributing to a provider doing well? And you have to look at various factors, and that's where machine learning comes into play. Because it not only shows what the trend is good, but it also presents what are the contributing factors. A lot of our customers are challenged in going from traditional analytics to machine learning and AI-based analytics. One of the differentiators that we bring is to take the journey of a customer from old legacy environment to the new environment. Explore Digits has been working with TIBCO for 5+ years. This platform has been one of the major differentiators for Explore Digits because it aligns with many of the principles that we are going after. TIBCO Data Science Workbench was built to process on a big data platform like Apache Spark. The next major factor we were looking at is ability to do self-service, which is to reduce the dependency on the IT teams and the data scientists to do the curation, preparation, and analytics at ease without even writing a single line of code. And finally, the most differentiating factor of all the tools is the collaboration feature, ability to have multiple data scientists collaborate on a problem together and come to an understanding of this machine learning technique, because many times these analytics are questionable. You have to prove it is accurate, whether there is analytics bias, whether they have accurately used the data. You work with sample data set, you assume that sample was good and hope that the result will work. But when you work on full data set, like using TIBCO Data Science Workbench, you can immediately 100% say that this will work in the real world because it's working on the real data. So wow factor of building a model in like few minutes and also run it on terabytes of data, not gigabytes or megabytes of data, and also validate and test it at the same time and see the results the same day or a couple of days. One of our customers has to continuously monitor healthcare across the nation and make decisions to effectively control any healthcare issues. Before we took this journey, it used to take them at least 6 months to get the data from various data sources across the nation, clean, make it useful for analytics, put it into a repository, and then do various analytics, include machine learning and other techniques to identify what was happening and what could be done. They could address in a year probably 4 to 5 we could call as disease outbreaks. Once we happened to have this solution, in 1 year they were able to do 110 disease outbreak monitoring. We like TIBCO because of what we talked about, but the journey from traditional environment to the new environment is a migration journey, and that's where Explore Digits adds value.